What's the other one? What's the other one? That one, yeah, give it. That is not for a cherry. This is not for me with the offer. Offer berry. I'll wait you. Let me pay him. One spoon. Look at that. One spoon. Ina maka jinji. Yeah, sasa hebu hasa. Well, push your hand. That's it. Come on, take.
Okay. Tati. Tati, ma.
Come like this.
Okay.
Yes, don't pour it away. Yes, sit down that side. Miracle. Cross your leg. Miracle. Miracle.
Go on.
Small. Okay, you're okay. Miracle! Miracle! Come on, do my hair now. Where the big comb? The big comb, where do you keep it? Which table? Big comb. Is it nicer than keep them?
No, so you got it inside.
Oh yeah, now let's see.
This one will go like this.
Back on her. That place, you don't cover up. Where that place? Now be this. Okay, now be. That's why you meant this one.
This one will go.
Is it not? Okay. You draw it like this, Abby. Ayana, let's go.
This one will go.
You come on. Now the lights. Do fast, do fast. Don't come back. No. You say you take 2 other ones. You come and reach down.
I want us to go in the mouth.
I don't know. Listen, if you don't come back, no, they put. this. Little drum, yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
Oh.
What's happen? Very sharp. What's happen? I should plait fast. Why? Okay, now it's me that will sleep in your bed. Okay, I've heard you. Do you want to give me anything?
Yes.
Eh?
Yes.
Like what? Why did you wear your clothes back? That is how you like it, eh? No, don't remove your clothes. No, wait, come here, don't remove it. Later, yeah? Later you turn it, yeah? Don't wear clothes like that again, it's not good, yeah? You don't make the hair short.
This one is short, please.
Okay. Wait, I know I mean long, it's short, make it short, yeah? Hey, sorry. Wow, come like this, no. I'm going to see you. Come like this. See. It's okay. Yeah, sit down. Are you seeing yourself?
Yes.
Okay. Dede is a good boy. Yeah, oh. Dede is a... Say, Manushe. This one self long. Mother, I know the hear word. You know the hear English. I said I want it short. Even though if it's like this, if you carry the mouth, you see, you turn it. Even though it's not short like this, reach. I don't have a problem. Or you do in case of another one. They hear English very well. Person say, I don't want too long. Yeah? You do your possible best to do it short. You want to poo? Don't touch. Okay, go. Come on, poo. Collect tissue, yeah? You are Alpha and Omega. We worship you, Daddy. You are worthy. I don't know. You're wasting my time. That one too big, Abby. Awesome. Okay. Okay, don't bring out for this one, Abby. Oh yeah, now let's go.
After this one.
Let's go. You are Alpha in the me. Come back where though? Anyway, strong. Make can come back. Make sure say it dey light. We worship you, Daddy. You are worthy to be praised. Nothing too homely. They do, but too homely. I don't want me homely too much. You are Alpha. Help! I don't go naked though. Jesus. If you see anything, now what you tell us so, now you go see, oh, no verse. because I wear something inside. Do you have fun? And what I say? Pempiti pente, because I'm singing. This video will not kill me. You have fun. Ain't no God. We worship you, Daddy. You are worthy to be praised. You are Alpha and Omega. We worship you, Daddy. You are worthy to be praised. We give you all. You know how to sing this song. You want my singer? Now wait till they wait. Okay.
This one don't do enough.
You don't learn them now, this one's short, but you go still make a short. Oh yeah, they do, no problem. Yeah, they do, madam. Carry me go where I know. As people know, and they me
No
there.
turn your head for this one. Best thing.
Carry me go where. Now that's it. How we want to know. Carry me go where I know. Ba-da-da-da-da. You think I'm big, Abby? Oh yeah, let's go. Jesus, I come to the Lord. Jesus, Iberem dinala. Jesus, I come to the Lord. Idiremoma, Idiabaweremo. Jesus, I come to the Lord. Jesus, Iberem dinala. Jesus, I come to the Lord. Afala, what are we? Idiremoma, Idiabaweremo. Idiabube. Jehovah
It's a short
need.
time.
No, long. Jehovah, I know the word. That is long. Short. Jehovah me. I'm going to change it. I see the hair now. Alright, let's go. They do. Let's say the other one, no carry that one last because you don't do one way, just flatter. But this one now I feel last 1 week. I will lose her. That one, that's not 4 days, 3 days. I just lose her.
Is it another day when they come? A day.
That be that day for me. I don't use them like 2 days.
Mommy.
No, you don't wear a knicker.
Yes.
You sure? Look at them down. Look, come your hand.
Mommy. Mine is spinning.
Hey, I think it was fire. I'll go that side. Go show me. Go that side. Carry your clothes down. Bend down. Bend down. Show me now. Yeah, carry them down. Carry your clothes down. Bend down. Give me that touch. Yeah, show me. Bend down. Come that side. Go down. Go down. I wear a neck. Sorry. Stay there. Where you wear finish. Wear it. Stay there, wear it. Sorry, yeah. Come and eat.
Nice one.
Daddy mo imarama. Idebube. Idirobi mama. Carry me go where. Carry me go where I don't know. Carry me go where. Yo. No man go be a fool. Come like this, no they see you. Keep on sing. Carry me go where. Let's go. Why do you wear your clothes like this upside down? You're laughing. Oh. Carry me go where I don't know. I see you the light. Carry me go where I don't know. Madam, this side. Sorry. Start from like this. Maybe this. Wait, share this one now. That means this one will be 2. Do it. So this one's the one, I mean. So, oh yeah, do it. Time now.
Logo.
My first day.
Carry me go where. You don't all these things. See this one. Why they call these things like this?
No, if I
This one call. You don't take one. Draw and back. She really know. As you draw this one. Comb back very well. Make this soft.
my first day is this one.
Just in the kind of tea go back. Let they reach down at all. Good. It's okay. No, hold on tight already. I don't come they cry for her. Listen, a rubber. A rubber, the thing well. Carry that your tea, go that side also. Can I go like this? Can I go to that room? You bring rag. Drop and there first, bring rag. Fast. Don't clean all this tea when you pour in. Drop and there. I bring rag. Yeah? Toleri. Toleri. Let's see how far now. You never drink finish. Where the tea? Where you keep it? Go and bring it. And when this one?
No, I think this one before.
Oh yeah, now we go cut her like this, abi?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, now do now cut her out. No, I can't confront you. I can't go back small. No way other ones there. Go. Sorry. Come. That one. Come here.
Go for
I forget carry on there, warm. Bam, 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 bam. Yeah, sleep. Only two pressures.
Okay.
You're not such a weird. Okay, because I sing, you don't want to sleep. Sleep, let me rest. Mommy, you did too much. Tomorrow is not school. Tomorrow is Saturday, Abby.
no.
It's Saturday, no? It's Saturday. No school. It's homework day. You do your homework, ba? You help us wash clothes.
Yes.
You help us wash clothes.
No.
You help us sweep house, mop house.
No.
You help us cook.
No.
You help us go market.
No.
You
No.
You help us fetch water.
No. No.
You help us fold clothes.
No.
You will help us pound pepper.
No.
Say,
You help us and play.
well, you help us and play.
No.
You don't help us and play.
No.
Okay, you play your own.
No. No, you letting me.
I'm hearing you, baby.
Yeah.
So which one do you want to do tomorrow?
Yeah.
Yeah, do first. So, Daddy, which one do you want to do tomorrow?
Tomorrow,
Yeah.
go to school, Rishi.
Okay, you go to school tomorrow, Echi.
Yeah.
Wow. There is no school tomorrow, Mr. Ma. Tomorrow is Saturday. Tomorrow is what?
Saturday.
Huh?
Saturday.
Saturday.
Yeah.
Mr. Ma, there is no school tomorrow, okay?
Yes.
So you promised me that you will not go to school tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
You promised me tomorrow you will read your books.
Yeah.
Tomorrow you will have a meeting in your school for parents.
Yeah.
I don't know why they carry this meeting go put on Saturday. Miracle.
Ma.
We have meeting here in this compound tomorrow by 9, and we still have meeting tomorrow in Destiny School. I don't know. Parents, I don't know. Destiny, which one do you want me to go now? Is it our compound or
No.
which one do you want us to go?
Lolonga.
We should go to your school meeting.
No. Lolonga.
She stay at home.
Yes.
Why do you want me to stay at home?
No.
You're wasting time. Lie down. Good boy. Go and bring pillow. A good boy, yeah? The tea that you took, don't digest.
Yeah. No.
Go and bring pillow. Come and lie down, yeah? You're a good boy, you. Sure you know. You're a good boy. Back, eh? You're wasting time, though. Never finish. How many remain now? 2. Yeah, first. Okay, later you use razor. Tie and wear, abi? Why can't you use your teeth? Why? The remaining rope you go use and plait am. Then later you use hand cut this rope small, yeah? Stop using your teeth. And as you tie am sef. How many remain? Take.